Welcome back to Strong Fencing and Gates. Another gate brought to you by the finger, the great finger. It's in every video. One day I'll show my face. But we're looking today at this school fencing gate. We've got a 6-meter opening, and we've installed the Assure HD panel. My lovely assistant would just close the gate for me. That would be great. So this is a manual gate. It's not automatic. I guess you could pay a guy to stand there and do it. But it's a heavy duty gate, as you can see. For schools you really do need something heavy duty because kids are pretty hard on things. And it has this locinox. It's actually self-closing. It's a really cool system. This actually has some, you can actually see how there's give inside of there, and the way that this is designed, it twists itself in automatically. So let's have a look. Boom. So that's fully locked, and no one's going to escape out of there. And this is what it looks like from this side. So this one has a fall, has a 100mm fall from left to right. So we have to work that out when we're doing gates like this. Have to think about the heights. So it's actually higher at one end, you can see, and then it goes down into a stepped fence. But yeah, this one is pretty awesome. You can see it's got the welding, the heavy duty welding. So for a school, this is really good. 75mm frame with this rub rail. The rub rail is what stops it from rubbing the gate off. And ideal, a lot of schools want to put bring classrooms and things in, so they need a big opening like this, but they want to keep it locked and they don't need automation. So over here we've got a pedestrian gate on the side. So that's what a manual Assure HD gate looks like. If you're a school and you're looking for a gate, a heavy duty gate like this, give us a call at strongfencing.co.nz.